Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make Android's punch hole front camera look like iPhone's dynamic island style front camera. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I have an Android smartphone. So right now you can see a punch hole style front camera on my Android smartphone. So in order to get the iPhone dynamic island style front camera, what you need to do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as Dynamic Island Pro. On the first list, you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. So on opening, it will ask you some permission. Just click on continue. Click on continue again. Click on continue. Now you'll see here various options. So just select the Dynamic Island option. Click on this cross icon. Now just enable this display notes. Now enable all the permission. Click on allow. Just move back. Once again, enable the accessibility permission. Click on OK. Now click on this install apps. Select this Dynamic Island Pro. Just turn it on. Click on allow. Move back. Once again, turn on this battery optimization. Click on allow. Now once after enabling all this option, you can just minimize it. Voila. Now you can see here the iPhone's dynamic island style front camera. So you can see here the punch hole camera is looking like iPhone's dynamic island front camera style. So if you swipe from right to left, it will show you the music player options, and all the notifications that you're gonna receive on your Android smartphones will show up in this Dynamic Island style front cam. So by using this cool application named as Dynamic Island Pro, you can easily make Android's punch hole front camera look like iPhone's Dynamic Island style front camera very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.